Hey there, privacy advocates! Are you ready to dive into the world of Xiaohongshu, also known as RedNote, without giving up your personal phone number? Stick around because I'm going to show you how to do just that in 3 easy steps. First off, for those who aren't familiar, Xiaohongshu is a booming Chinese social media and lifestyle platform. Think of it as a blend of short videos, e-commerce, and community reviews. With over 300 million monthly active users, it's become a go-to place for product recommendations, travel tips, and cultural exchanges. Especially now, with all the buzz around the potential TikTok ban, a lot of US users are flocking to Xiaohongshu. But hey, when you're signing up, the app asks for your phone number, which can lead to spam, data breaches, and other privacy concerns. So, how do you keep your number private? Easy, use a temporary phone number. Step 1. Choose a temp number service. My top pick is MobileSMS.io. Why? They offer real SIM card-based numbers, so you won't run into issues during verification. Unlike VoIP services, these numbers are not easily blocked. Step 2. Select your country and platform. Log in to MobileSMS.io, pick your country, and choose Xiaohongshu from the list. The process is straightforward and user-friendly. Step 3. Complete SMS verification. Once you get your temporary number, enter it during the Xiaohongshu registration. Head back to your MobileSMS.io dashboard to get the verification code. Enter the code on Xiaohongshu and boom, you're in. Now why is MobileSMS.io the perfect choice for Xiaohongshu users? They provide real SIM card numbers, which means reliable verification. They also support over 100 countries, giving you global access to region-specific features. Plus, their flexible plans fit your needs, whether it's a one-time use or a long-term rental. Let's talk about the benefits. You get to protect your privacy, keep your personal number secure, and reduce spam. Convenient integration means you can receive codes directly in your MobileSMS.io dashboard, or even through Slack, Discord notifications. Got questions? Here are some quick answers. Yes, you can use MobileSMS.io for Xiaohongshu account verification. Avoid using your personal number to dodge spam, tracking, and data breaches. You'll receive verification codes within seconds of Xiaohongshu sending them. And yes, their numbers are reusable, especially if you opt for long-term rentals. Ready to use Xiaohongshu anonymously? Protect your privacy and explore confidently. Visit MobileSMS.io today to get a reliable, real SIM card-based temporary phone number for a seamless Xiaohongshu account setup. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on keeping your online presence secure. Stay safe out there.